Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam
afternoon.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, all teachers in Indonesia. We are from Indonesia, group number 1, and we would like to sharing about our discussion today about the subject, the course of the subject from the first Padlet, number 2 Canva, number 3 class neuro plus share screen, and then number 4 about subject 2 computational thinking. Okay, the first will be present with our friends, our teachers, Miss Jana. For Miss Jana, time for you. Hello, Miss Jana. You're
I'm still mute. I'm so sorry, everyone.
okay.
Okay, let's start about Padlet. You can Googling about Padlet. Actually, Padlet is about apps you can use with the student. And with Padlet, you can create an online password that you can share with any student or teacher you want. Just give the unique Padlet link. Okay, let's see about the Padlet that we trying to understand in this course. The first thing you can Googling about Padlet and you can sign up or log in if you already have an access. Actually, I already have an account. So I'm logging and this is my dashboard. Okay, and the dashboard as a student and teacher, of course, as a teacher, we can make a Padlet, or as a student, we can join a Padlet. So the first thing I made a Padlet. Okay, this is about Indonesia, and I already and still empty. So student can make a post here. You can just click this, and student also can make a post. As an author who make a Padlet post here, you can change the background and also change the icon and change the subject and give a description here. In this setting section, you can choose a lot of things and change a lot of things. This is the introduction about Padlet that you can explore by your own. And actually, we have approximately 20 or 30 a useful way to use Padlet. And now I'm sharing to you 20 useful ways to use Padlet in the class now. The first one, bell ringer activity. And as you can see on the screen, and the last one, you can gather global responses. This is what we learned about Padlet. Miss Rita, we can change to the next speaker. Thank you for joining me about the Padlet.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jana. It's very nice about Padlet, and I hope that all teachers can try to use the Padlet in this class. Okay, next we can the presents about the Canva, and me, we would like to present, and I want to share screen. Okay, now we learn about the Canva. We know that the Canva is an Australian graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentation, poster, documents, and other visual contents. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions such as Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Canva launched a video editing too. User can also pay for physical products to be printed and shipped. And we try to use the Canva. The first time, if we want to use the Canva, we type the URL address canva.com. And then we can look the Canva website. If you don't have the account, you must register first. After the register, we can log in, and then we can make the design from the Canva. We can make the video, infographics, brochure, presentations, photo, diagram, document, cover books, cover magazine cover, and so on. So many we can use the Canva. At here, I would like to give the example how to make the Canva by browser. We make the browser from the Canva. The first, we click about the design, make a design, and then we click the browsers. After we click the browser, the Canva will appear the templates of the browser. It makes so many templates. Yeah, with a minute. So many templates at here. We can choose what we want. For example, I choose the template, this template, and then we click the template, and then we can change the words what we want to make. For example, we change the type about the explorasi, we change with the AIV. Yeah. And then if we want to change the picture, we just upload. We can upload from the computer, and then we click the file. We can choose the file, and then we click open. Wait until the uploading finish. Yeah. After finish, we can click, and then the picture will appear in our slide, and we can change, and we can editing. Yeah. After, if we finish, we can share. We can share into by upload. We can share by download. We can change with the PNG or PDF, video or GIF. For example, I want to change about with the JPEG. We save with the JPEG, and then we click download. We wait until finish, and then can appear in our downloading. Okay, Miss Iron, I think the time is yours.
Yeah. For the Google Classroom, not
okay.
Right. So I guess I can help. So this time I would like to share about the Google Classroom. In Indonesia we don't use Google Screen. Instead of Google Screen, we use Google Classroom that is also provided by the government. I will share the screen on how we use Google Classroom.
Okay.
Well, this one is the Canva. My Canva is already the pro account because it is provided by the government. I use my account from the government, and this account is also supported to have a pro Canva account for teachers. And this Canva, using this account, I can use, and I can also relate the Canva to our Google Classroom. Okay. So that's what Ms. Rita has shared about the usage of Canva. Here, I also want to share to you about the use of Canva and their relations to the Google Classroom. I have my Canva design, and then I can share it directly to my Google Classroom, to my students. Okay. Continue. Here, as I have many classes of Google Classroom, I can choose where to share my Canva design. I can just choose the classes I want to share. And once I choose the class that I share, then I just click the action on what to share. Is it an assignment or questions or announcement or just a material? Then I can just click go, then it will be shared to the Google Classroom. And that's how we run the Google Classroom and Canva in Indonesia during the pandemic. Next, I want to share also about our summary about unplugged education for computational thinking. Well, in computational thinking, actually, we use the step-by-step thinking, the composition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm designs to engage the learning. Well, we use the computational thinking for the unplugged education. In the unplugged education, we just unplug everything from the technology. We use computational thinking without the using of computer or technology. We involve physical movement to gain students' engagement and help students understand more about the learning. So we still use the step-by-step, but then we don't use any technology to engage the students using their body to engage with the learning. I guess that's all that I can share. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Iron. Well, I think that's all our discussion today. Thank you very much for all the teachers, and we hope that our discussion today can give the what else? Can give to help the teachers who want to use the tools about Padlet, Canva, and Google Classroom or computational thinking. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention and good afternoon.